Hey, Bonham Bears, welcome to Friday, a writing lesson. So this is the alphabet. We've been doing this Monday and Wednesday this week, and we're going to finish our alphabet review. So we have letters again at the beginning, we have letters in the middle, and we have letters at the end of the alphabet. Let's start with the letters at the end, and let's say these first. R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good job. Let's go to the middle. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. And let's start letters at the beginning. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So mine is filled out already because I have been practicing these letters all week long. And look what I have left. What do I have left? I have the letters at the bottom. Those are the letters at the end of the alphabet. So we're going to write these today. We're going to start with R. R is for rainbow. So let's make an R. Let's make a big line. Little curve. Ooh, I wanted to pick a different color, so let me erase that. Make sure we have a different color so we can see all of the things that we did this week. I'm going to pick yellow. R, big line, little curve, little line. R. I'm going to make an S. I'm going to make a little curve. And I'm going to turn, and I'm going to make a little curve. S, snail. T is for turtle. I'm going to make a big line, and I'm going to go back up on top and make a little line. T. Good. Letter U is for umbrella. I'm going to make a big line. Turn, big line. Look at that, all in one stroke. Big line, turn, little line. Next is the letter V. Big line, big line. V for van. Here is our letter W. W is big line, little line. Sorry, big line, big line, big line. Again, W has 4 big lines, just like the letter M. Here is W. Go down first, and then you're going to go up, down, up. Good. W for whale. Next is the letter X. Big line, big line. Y is a little line, and then go back up and make a big line. Z, we're going to go little line, little line. This is our alphabet. Give yourself a round of applause that you did it. You wrote the whole alphabet. Wow. What was your favorite letter you learned? Did these help you? Some of these poems, big line, little line, curve. Remember that as you're writing. Notice those big lines, notice those little lines, and notice those curves. Wow, what kind of words can you guys write with these? I am so proud of all of the Bonham Bears for all of the writing you have done. All right, I cannot wait to see everything that you guys have finished. Until we see each other again, have a great weekend and keep up writing.